Hi guys, we have here King of the World Philippines candidate from Bulacan. Please introduce yourself.
Hello guys, I'm Rom De Leon. I'm from Bulacan province and I'm working at the casino, and then I'm a social media influencer and actor and model. Thank you.
Okay, Rom, anong pinagkakabalakan mo ngayon?
Sa ngayon, pinagkakabalang syempre nagtatrabaho ako, and then the same time, nag-gym tayo and nagba-basketball. Yun yung mga bagay na ginagawa ko ngayon. At at the same time, syempre sa King of the World.
Anong work mo?
Sa casino po.
Casino?
Yeah, sa
You're
casino.
a casino
Yeah.
dealer?
I'm the Rewards Club representative.
Rewards Club
Yes.
representative. Okay. So now you're a representative from Bulacan sa King of the World. Anong madadala mo from Bulacan to the King of the World national stage?
Siguro para sa akin is yung integrity and resilience. That's why, alam naman natin ang mga taga Bulacanyo is hindi nagpapatalo yan. At isa pa dun is talagang matatatag talaga yan pagdating sa ganitong laban. So, paghahandaan ko to ng mas may confident, syempre, at mas gagalingan ko.
Rom, sumali ka naman ng pageant sa Bulacan.
Yes, I'm
Laban, Ginoo at Binibining Bulacan.
Yeah, Ginoo at Binibining Bulacan. Then I'm the one of the title of that 2023. I'm joining for Ginoo at Binibining Bulacan. Then I'm titled for Man of the Philippines Bulacan. Yes.
Man of the Philippines Bulacan.
Yes.
Ano gusto mo sabihin sa mga fans mo?
Hello guys, ayun. Syempre, follow nyo yung King of the World, at the same time si Mami. And support me in my journey here in the King of the World Philippines. Kita-kita tayo dito guys, supportahan nyo ako. Salamat.
And also please invite them to vote for you sa Seeds Protect, right?
Yes, hello guys then. Support me for voting for Seeds Protect. That's why if you want me to join the 26th candidate in the fast track, yun. Guys, please support me. Kailangan natin yan para makasali tayo agad sa fast track natin.
And where can your fans find you in social media?
And of course, I have a social media account, guys. Rom De Leon in IG, Facebook, and TikTok account. Message nyo lang ako dun, guys. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much, Rom, and best of luck. Thank you.